Hey guys, how are you? My name is Cody Grimes, and today in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make a simple lo-fi chill beat, a very simplistic beat. The purpose of this tutorial is just going to show you from start to finish how to work FL Studio, what to do, the basics of a song structure, how to build your first basic song so you can start grasping and start getting used to FL Studio, so you can get familiar with music, so you can get familiar with beat making and making sounds, making music. This is an example of what we're going to be making. All right, that's it. And I appreciate you taking the time to look at this. I hope I see you in there. Thanks.